Honorable Baya, also want me and sign Cosa. Mutini Amoyeno, Yadia and Aniso, no, who say, I will say Oshamon crying. It's a 10,000, which is 100 million. Now, Mufanya wave or 10 you. It's a match in Udra, says to you crying here. You can see some match in Udra, baby bray. Tea, you know, Asada, Emma, honorable.
Fabulous. 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 Great. Nti yebada mase na yabo mabaso. Em say mo match bia mahwe bia no mama me sense from. Say mo first one na yeso ye in medika behwe ye no. Na modika hye first go anom bete ye na mo sa hye no koyo 2-1. Ye ko MTN cap no so. Em say no some the cap no be kire. Em ma no so yeduda anum kakra fine. Ye gimudi nti ye nim say ye nya de ye ko ensa ko kanto kwa na ye de am be hye anumunyam. Na ko fon cha de so mo we need my. Say do president's cap. Na minia Greater Accra Regional Minister. Nkrana na wo to say na Dr. Dawe na moba na so. Ye ba ye kuma apem ade apem ye de e beba. Enti apem de ma wunkum kura nsa na de bia ba. Timpim mienu ni nyina ye de ko Accra na ye de akwakobo match. Enti ye wo ho mamo. On that day, never boam with supporters mobilization. Any bibia mbe hia bia mu be yedu a mu betimi ahye animonyam ewo ho. Yagimudi enim se mo be yo e de amaye. Ebi se ye ka kotoko a Asante akoma. Otufo osedutu na etim de. O se ahoden bia wo se de time achi e ma mo hye animonyam nyame ya adoma da kwase da no. O se ye make sure say ahoden no aye available to the team. And ebe encourage mo teamwork said the bia moye no, and I'm glad say new players no ya more integrating now so that you will be able to play together well as a team na matimi ahye yan munyam na nkopon ya adoma eda kwase da ya gimudi yenim so say e de ya God willing Sunday nkunimdi e besa de aba eye kumasi eye wo say kurum na nkunimdi aye de ya nyame adoma between now and then no yebema yani akom ho ba bibia dwumadie bia mudi bia no coach ne mpanifo wa ha di ombema yaso eso ate na wa sa moye training ne so no modi ahoden bia hyem se nyame ya adoma Sunday ne de ampaya ebedwa ne nim so se ye de ya ye be firi nkran ya be sa ba kumase ne de ne yemfa bibia na eba back se ye de nkunimdie abotiri na ye de ana eba nti ye beda masem nyame ya adoma Sunday no ye ya beba stadium ho so bi ene mo aba be di dwuma no kopem se ye bebo bibia be wi a ye de medals ne begum komu a ye ya beba be so mu bi so de agum komu e de ama mo enti ye be hye mu nkran be ka kire se ye nya mo nko a se mo nko na monya ye ta machi a bibia mu a ye wo ho ma mo asa mo ye training so ye be sere mo monya ne boko se be ya injuries ne bibia ma na koye de se de e bedu Sunday na ye best of the players na hu ya na injury bi kobam ye se na kopon pa ye so ma ya hoden no ma ye nkwa no ma ye nimdie ene odo a ye betima ka ye ho abom as team ba ko a ye betimi de akwakọ wini na kopon ya adoma eda Sunday we de besi ya fabulous 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 we da munja ma se
Kenya kamba ma 5 goals eti go ba ku bia $200. Go ba ku bia $200 and ye ba park na ye de ba go ni to ma 200 ne ye to mu cha 5,000 ne da to eti mu ze kwese da go bia obese bia dollars da so da mo sha hasa fa mai
great era wasi eti Abraham support ka be ma coach no de amam se be ya as a training ne koso di nyina no mu betimi aye liquid aha okay
ya beda wasi ewo encourage sema modi abre na ewe training grounds no na that say ekobo match kese na yehu training grounds a ememura ma de ko match ni and I playing body ne so like ebe assure me say that Sunday yengu ni mase ebe confidence say ebe ya ebe tima win cup no asha Asante menu nyam that's it.
Mami you start it.
Fabulous.
The best.
Fabulous.
The greatest.
Fabulous.
Modeye.
Very good. Say edika ba ka che say Jumade na ye de ni nyina ne pompon so no ko wi Asante Regional Minister. na abibia Kotoko ne house be bo no de enya tepe na te say Asante for ye kosa no na o say ehu ahoboabo a ye de kosa no na am say pemi no mabanya maka chem say e bia regional minister na soma me nti o ka say ms mu no ono anka sa beba nti na wie mu ye ha jumedi a regional minister o man beja na mba bedi na no so ono aba bedi sanse kwesi da edbay matcha eda enimu no nka fona to beta mai aka geta ka regional minister so be share aka me yo so be share regional minister so no so be share edi so be share dia no so ba be hwe the team no ho bobo a tene mu hu ya regional minister o ba be hwe si bia place no so na ye o say ye e de boa na motivation no e ko for that place no sunsun basro no mu ko di dwuma no ma Kumase ene Asante mai na kwese da se de te bia na ye de house 3 toso ye toso nsia no mo say nyoma fe ene ye no mu gina ya na mu na mu di sa dwuma no mai tine awie the honorable Dr. Frank Amoakohene Ashanti regional minister and wabo no ankasa ni team Kotoko ho say wali baba bedin komo mu me fa sem mo fa
and when it comes to Kotoko versus Hearts, it should tell you that it's the soul of the country. And for that matter, Kotoko being the soul of Ashanti region, we need to provide them all the support they can get so that they'll be able to make us proud, God willing, on Sunday. And prior to that, the Greater Accra regional minister had actually thrown out a challenge already. Say there is a home match for her. But we want to assure her that penny the penny. And Accra is also our home. So we are going there in our numbers and with the right support for the team. We are very confident that we're going to win the President's Cup come Sunday. So we came to observe their training and also motivate them and provide them some support and let them know that we are here to support them and we'll be there. And myself together with the entire team, we will be at the stadium on Sunday to provide them all the support that they need.
Exactly. So exactly what sort of support is your outfit providing for Kotoko on Sunday?
Definitely, we're looking at how we will help them mobilize some good number of supporters to the stadium on Sunday. Definitely liquidity support will come in. Another motivation that we have promised to give them, especially when they're able to deliver the goals. So we're expecting that they will deliver more goals because every goal will count for a sort of package we have for them. And I'm very sure that the young men will do the needful and make sure that on Sunday they make us all proud.
Now, you engage the playing body, the technical team, and some members of the interim management committee. What sort of feedback do you get from that engagement?
So they are ready, and from all indications, they are set. Even if we are to play today, they will definitely make us proud. And I want to use this opportunity to thank them for holding the fort and always preparing the boys for matches of this nature. And also want to assure them that the support we are giving is not just for the playing team, also for the technical team, so that they will all be equally motivated to help make sure that they work together as a team and win the match for us on Sunday.
Now, lastly, after this one, the next major assignment for Kotoko is that trip on the African campaign. And I'm sure they will use the Baba Yara Sports Stadium to host some of these matches. What is your outfit doing in support of the NSA to make sure the Baba Yara Sports Stadium is ready in time for the competition?
Great. So thankfully during the Ashanti Festival games, we had the sports minister coming in. So we had to do some tour around some of the sporting facilities here in Ashanti region. And we have received all the assurances that they're going to help us rehab the, as it were, Kumasi or the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And we are very hopeful that by which time where the games will start, definitely some remarkable works would have been done on the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. So it has the attention of us, the RCC and the Sports Ministry. We're going to work to make sure we put it in shape.
All right, thank you.
Okay, great.
As the all players and a technical team, that team na yeah hoboa said the bear consider be Independence Cup.
President Cup.
Sorry, President Cup. Yeah. And I home. I'm Bassett be kwa. Yengu Kotoko animasi and Asante my animasi. Into at the moment, you know, you good training so. Me actually, me a surprise. Me whom but Mombasa na ana share and crying. My who say I'm paying for a tire. Mama Kwaba na Yeah, bisa. You can't say Monante.
Okay. You have a hand of honor.
5 at once.
Innocent times. Another penny to penny.
Motivation, so we are bit.
Single line run. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's here.
There's a boat.
Azu.
Azu.
Place
I was second day, but I was also mobile by the bus. What is it? Blue player. Sorry, safer.
Cochito.
Last player. Edema.
Okay.